Do you suffer from nerve pain? Whether it's sciatica, carpal tunnel, median nerve tension, chronic nerve pain in the hands, thoracic outlet syndrome, or maybe it's even chemotherapy-induced or diabetic neuropathy. It's essential to address the stem causes of any nerve pain and, most importantly, optimize your diet to promote your nerve health. Here are 10 foods that you can eat through foods to optimize your nerve health. Before we continue with the list, make sure to subscribe to Healthy Lab and turn on the notification bell to help us grow. Every subscriber is much appreciated. So, let's start. 10. Chamomile. Chamomile is an herb that can ease anxiety and relieve your nerves. It includes both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds, which may help lower inflammation linked with stress. Although the mechanisms of its compounds aren't clear, chamomile is thought to help manage neurotransmitters linked with moods like serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid. It can also help manage the hypothalamic pituitary adrenocortical axis, a central part of the body's stress response. While these outcomes are promising, most reviews have been done on chamomile extract. More recent research is required to evaluate the anti-anxiety impacts of chamomile tea, which is most commonly drunk. 9. Turmeric. Turmeric is a famous spice for its traditional culinary and medicinal usage in India. It includes a polyphenol chemical named curcumin, which has been indicated to benefit the brain by delivering protection, and through several mechanisms against neurological diseases. Turmeric is also famous for its high antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. So, it prevents damage to brain cells associated with chronic inflammation and oxidative stress. In addition, animal studies recommend curcumin may boost the conversion of alpha-linolenic acid, a kind of omega-3 fatty acid found in plants, to DHA more effectively and elevate DHA levels in the brain. That said, adding turmeric to your diet is certainly worth a try. 8. Yogurt. The probiotics or healthy bacteria, abundant in some kinds of yogurts, may promote several aspects of your wellness, such as mental and nerve health. Though still an emerging area of research, probiotics can support the gut-brain axis, an intricate system between the gastrointestinal tract and the brain. Notably, the study recommends healthy gut bacteria are related to better mental health. Further, probiotic foods such as yogurt can promote mental health and brain function by decreasing inflammation and enhancing the production of mood-boosting neurotransmitters, such as serotonin in the body. It's also necessary to mention that not all yogurts have probiotics. For the benefits of probiotics, pick a yogurt with live active cultures noted as an ingredient. 7. Almonds. Almonds are a super-rich source of several nutrients thought to enhance brain function, such as vitamin E and healthy fats. Moreover, some animal researchers have found that almonds decrease oxidative stress and inflammation, which could be involved in the development of nervous system damage. Almonds can also offer other mood-boosting compounds. For example, one study indicated that adequate consumption of nuts, like almonds, was connected with lessening symptoms of depression. 6. Warm milk. Sipping warm milk before bed can be a centuries-old natural remedy for having a better night's sleep and reducing the body from stress and anxiety that can damage your nerves. According to a study, warm milk can have a calming impact on the body as well as on a psychological level. For individuals who grew up with the habit of drinking warm milk before bed, the routine can send a signal that it's time to go to sleep, for instance. Besides, calcium-rich foods are an essential part of a healthy diet for bone health. Still, this nutrient also helps decrease depression, according to a study published in 2018 in the journal Nutrition Research and Practice. Milk and other dairy products with high calcium content and added vitamin D can help muscles relax and stabilize their mood. A diet expert says the main stress reducer available everywhere is calcium. If milk isn't your thing, you can try other dairy sources, such as yogurt and cheese. 5. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants, including flavonoids, that have been analyzed for their ability to promote brain health and relieve the nervous system. One 4-week study claims that daily supplementation with wild blueberries was associated with fewer self-reported signs of depression in 64 adults. Some animal studies also recommend that certain substances found in blueberries may decrease oxidative stress and ease signs of depression and anxiety. Plus, some reviews have even indicated that increased intake of fruits, like blueberries, may be tied to a lower chance of anxiety. Berries are blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries include plant compounds named flavonoids that have potent antioxidant compounds. Flavonoids have a positive influence on cognition and are vital for the treatment of brain diseases and brain injury. 4. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of magnesium, iron, copper, and zinc. Apart from all this, pumpkin seeds possess potent antioxidants that protect the body and nerve cells from free radical damage. Magnesium is crucial for learning and memory. So, low magnesium levels are connected to many neurological diseases, such as migraines, depression, anxiety, and epilepsy. Your brain utilizes copper to control and regulate nerve signals. And when copper levels are out of whack, there's an elevated risk of neurological diseases like Alzheimer's. Zinc is vital for nerve signaling, and its deficiency has been linked with many neurological conditions, like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, anxiety, and depression. 3. Nuts. Research conducted in 2018 claimed that nuts can promote cognition skills and even help stop neurological disorders. Also, another study discovered that women who ate nuts regularly over many years had a sharper memory compared to people who didn't consume nuts at all. There are multiple nutrients in nuts, like healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamin E, all of which are great for brain health. Vitamin E shields cell membranes from free radical damage, so it helps to slow down mental decline. While all nuts are fantastic for your brain, walnuts are thought to be a better choice since they also contain high omega-3 fatty acids. 2. Avocados. Avocados are not only tasty mashed into guacamole or sliced and added to a healthy salad. They also offer an adequate amount of omega-3 fatty acids. According to the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, these healthy essential acids are famous for decreasing stress and anxiety levels, enhancing concentration, and boosting mood. The possible superpower of avocados goes beyond their omega-3 fatty acids content. According to the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey, they also contain phytochemicals, fiber, and essential nutrients. The study, which was published in January 2017 in the Nutrition Journal, recommends that avocados have been related to better diet quality and nutrient intake as well as a lower chance of getting metabolic syndrome, which is a bunch of diseases that include high blood pressure and obesity. It's crucial to note, however, that the survey only recommends an association, not a cause and effect relationship, between consuming avocados and these boosted health markers. 1. Liver. A diet deficient in vitamin B12 can cause severe conditions with myelin and impact the functioning of the nervous system, resulting in a degenerative disease of the spinal cord. Nerve damage happens when the myelin sheath that keeps the nerve deteriorates. Vitamin B12 is a super important nutrient that has a vital role in obtaining the myelin sheath. Foods high in vitamin B12, like the liver, can help heal damaged nerves in the body. Other sources of vitamin B12 are fish, poultry, meat, eggs, milk, and dairy products. Hence, some breakfast cereals fortified with this vitamin can be added to the vegetarian diet. Nerve damage happens when free radicals interact with healthy cell tissues and cause the deterioration of the cells. We all know having a healthy diet is essential for our mental and physical well-being. But sometimes, our bodies need certain nutrients to be more active and more beneficial. Nerves, a part of our body, also need some important nutrients to function correctly. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.